So it's actually, we call it Christmas Adam, the day before Christmas Eve, the 23rd Tuesday. And I know tomorrow's Christmas Eve, the next day is Christmas, and this goes out Friday morning, so I'm recording early. I like to, I don't know about you, if I'm going someplace for the day, I want to be dressed and not have to dress multiple times. So I had a Zoom call this afternoon, and it's hot. House shoes, shorts, but I'm ready to go to church here in this little bit. How'd you show up for Christmas? Like I'm realizing as I sent out this newsletter that I didn't wish you holiday greetings. And I want you to know that I have experienced, maybe because I have an Aura ring that gives me a lot of data, but also I'm well aware that I experienced quite a bit of stress this season already. Now, everything's done. The Christmas cards are out. The food is prepped, mostly the gifts are wrapped, everything's done. So now it's just like smooth sailing. But I'm not entirely proud of how I showed up. And so I'm not mad at myself for it. It's just data. And it's data that I intend to learn from so that I don't do it again. So I already have set alarms on my phone the first week of November to start planning the Christmas cards. Um, One thing that I can do to alleviate some of the stress during the season. Um, are there other things I can do? I don't know, but I'm going to be thinking about it. But that's for sure one thing I can take off my plate. And the reason I say this is number one, are you kind to yourself when you don't show up the way you wanted to? Can you too convert it into a lesson? Put something in place to keep that from happening again. Oh, and then the other thing, I have been eating nonstop gluten and sugar, which are things I don't normally eat on a regular basis, maybe once a week, but not once a day like I have been since early November. And I feel pretty crappy, if I'm telling the truth, um, to the point where my back even went out. Inflammation, weight gain, all the things. It's slight, but it's enough to make me feel bad. So, how do I want to show up with intention next year? Kind of too late for this year, but how do you go forward when you don't show up the way you wanted to? Just make a plan. That's all you have to do. And then you can choose what you want to do with it from there. I hope you had a fantastic holiday.